Shengzhou Xinlineckwear Company Limited is established in 2009. Located in Shengzhou City, which is well known as the Ties County of China. Xinlineckwear is the intelligent choice for custom tie. Make every tie your tie, dress well, do good, and let the universe do the rest. Basically, we make ties and accessories. Xinli is specialized in developing and selling silk jacquard woven neckties, printed ties, polyester ties, knit ties, bow ties, pocket squares, silk scarves, waistcoats, cufflinks, and tie bars. Xinli has their own company business practice and quality control standard. Xinli's cooperative factory introduces new weaving equipment. It is able to do with the whole tie producing, from tights designing, fabrics weaving, handmade and machine-made tailoring, ironing and sewing. Facing to the fierce competition and challenges from the market, our company will be always centered on specialized operation and developing based on talent capital for the future of Xinlineckwear. Our products are not only sold in China, but also sold abroad, like the United States, Japan, the European Union, South Korea, Canada, Australia, and Southeast Asia. Our products comply with international quality standards. Our company is showing our strong vitality to be your ideal cooperation partner. We're always waiting for your collaboration. If you're interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact us. We're looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.